Bow, bow. Oh shit. It's your boy. Yo, wait. Let's take out my headphones real quick. Ah, see, man can hear me well. I know, I know. Okay, let me see if it's moving nice though. Dun, dun, dun. Yo, it's like, when insomnia hits, right? Man's just I'm gonna tape read Asia session until I feel tired and fall asleep. Let me see if it's moving nice though. Yeah. We're good. Alright, calm. So, uh, let's put this there. Let's put this there. Show chat. Alright, cool. Well going. Asian session. I'm literally just gonna be tape reading. I know I didn't live stream for like a week or so, but yo, after the after the discovery man made, yo, I went heavy, heavy into back testing, you feel me? So that's why I wasn't streaming. But I still did trade last week. I took 4 trades last week. All were winners, 100%. So yeah, last week was still a good week. I just didn't stream it, but from now, yeah, I'm gonna start streaming. So let's get right into it, man. Let's get right into it. So look, check it. I'm just gonna erase everything and start from scratch. No, I want to keep some stuff on. Hold on. Uh, but really, essentially, I'm just tape reading. There's a lot of concepts that I just want to see live, especially during Asia session, because since the volatility is so slow, that means that the accuracy will be there. Isn't me? Like it's there. So, oh shit, I really did just delete. Yeah, I didn't really want to delete all of that. But let's start from the 12 minute then. So ultimately, you know what? Yeah, I may as well just start from scratch, yo. Okay, so look, check it. Protected low. We trade above the previous high. We have a zone at the top of the range. In fact, no, yeah, that's it right there. Let me verify that. So this is the 104, the hourly, right? So you have a zone at the top of the range that usually gets liquidated. We have the higher time frame S&D responsible that we just had a violation of that right there. So the S&D responsible for that violation is right here, which is only the third swing on a 12-minute time frame. Hold up, I'm gonna show you right there. Which means what? We can still see more downside, right? So we can see price pull up to this previous range, do whatever shenanigans it wants to do here, and take out this low, dropping it toward the 50% of this hourly zone right here. I've also marked out the origin too, in case he wants to mitigate even deeper inside. But that's not an hourly time frame, right? We still got a long way to go for that. But that's currently what price is doing now. If we drop down to the 12 minute, zoom out a bit. So yeah, I marked out this swing over here, the third swing. Here, one, two, three, and you can see the violation of the higher time frame swing right here. But we'll just focus on the leg for now. Right now, we're currently in a range. So I'm currently looking for this high to be taken out as we've been mitigating this zone multiple times. So one, two, three, four, right? So I'm looking for the high of this zone to be taken out. And Well, we have the origin of this move that sent price all the way down and put in this low. But I don't expect this move to hold though. Why? Because what is the narrative? This is a zone at the bottom of the range in a what bearish trend, which usually gets what violated. So, but I'm still expecting a little small movement to just shift it back into the previous range. Uh, and then from there, we'll probably just see a violation of it. Oh, who knows? It could just go down here and then do that. So basically, hold on, it'll be something like this, right? And then, so it could do whatever, but those are just my anticipation. So that's what I'm watching out for. That's why I had the 50 marked out there, as you saw in the beginning. Alright, cool. So that's why I had this marked out in the beginning. So this is essentially the top of the 12-minute range, right? So the bottom of the 12-minute range is boom, boom. I'll be looking at this origin of the move that's currently selling price, uh, up here. So I'll be looking at this. Really and truly, I ain't even. No, I'm not gonna talk too much on that. So as you can see right now, price is currently trending up. These lows are still being intact. Oh, did we just break something? We just did, but yeah, that's a bit too soon. And anything else? No, let's go on the anything else I want to address. Well, okay, cool. Yeah. So right now we're currently in the middle of the range. So we know that we're not making any decisions here, right? From the 12-minute perspective anyway, right? So our business is above or below, right? Take the low, manipulate inside the zone, and flip. Take the low, manipulate inside the zone, and flip. Right, cool. So I'll keep the arrows there. I'll delete the box. Now we're gonna go to the 1 minute. Now let's get busy. So we just took out some highs. Was it a close? No. So 5 seconds on. So we got one. Is that close? No. Okay, so we have one. So we have one, two swings. We have a failure to close above here. Meaning what? If you get a body closure behind previous bullish candle here, then we can look for this low to be taken out. But that's something that we just have to wait for. And we erase all the distance. It's all data, right? So we got one. So this is the first swing, second swing on the 1 minute time frame. Now I'm aware of these swings here, but they belong to the lower time frame, which is the 5 second. We'll get onto that. But right now, as we can see, yeah, I caught that. I just watched Kingdom, the anime. Oh boy, it blew my mind. Anyway, off topic. Okay, cool. Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, and what do we see? Reversal. Wow. Okay, cool. And then two, three. You can see I put another move up, and then yeah, I'll just do that for now. Let's zoom out the 5 second now. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay, let's see what I'll go on. So look, check it. We have the zone at the top of the range, which you don't want to use, right? So this is a zone that's usually made to be liquidated. We have the 50% of the higher time frame zone. Not only that, we have the origin of the move right below. Well, let's make this gold. Boom, boom. And ultimately, I'm looking for this low to be taken. Now, currently, I I'm good at like the way I trade. I just use the full zone. So when it comes to the 50%, I really only use the 50% when I count in the higher time frame zone on the time frame I'm trading on. So essentially, yes, I'm just using the 1 minute zone. However, I will be tape reading this session, also considering the 50% of the origins, the S and Ds and such, just to see how price moves in there. I want to know. I want to discover uh, if it's something to worth waiting for before making any decisions. But yeah, that's cool. So boom, boom. So people that chased sells here just got run out. What do we usually want to see there? Next, a run of people that chase the buyers here, and ultimately what taking out these people. So what was this initially showing? To trade up and then to trade back down inside the range. We closed as a wick, did we? Did we close as a wick? We did indeed, which signifies what? A potential violation of this law right here. But we could be speaking a bit too soon. We see toilet paper people on a 5 second time frame now, right here. So we had a breakout, boom. People that chased here just got taken out. And then you usually want to see the other side get taken out too. So let's see what I'll go on though. I've got a bunch of line in my charts, so I'm gonna just clean up a bit. Let's see first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 swings. So this is where we can anticipate a reversal. Fuck it, I'm gonna just do that. Yeah, a little below this low. That's what I'm looking for right now. To get, let's just put like a box here to get below here. Okay. But regardless of my anticipations, what price is doing now is pushing rather upwards. So on a 1 second time frame, what have we got? We have 2, 3. So we have a pump going on right now. Oh, okay, cool. I was considering toilet paper people, but all right. So, why was I considering it? After a pump up here. So yeah, I just remembered that you usually look for toilet paper people. Man, it feels so weird, like just saying that shit. But you guys can barely see me, huh? I mean, it is late at night, you feel me, but man, oh man, it's not my face you should be watching. It's price, and Um, yeah. So I don't know. I like to just refer to all the baby people as to people that chase price. Like, so basically, you want to see them usually on a higher time frame. It's usually like four candle pump, four candle dump. That's how Dave says it. So yeah, I guess I was looking for it prematurely, but cool. Anyway, so maybe I should do something different rather than tape reading my anticipations. I'll just start marking out what I want for price in it. But I'll just keep them on there, just see what I want because I'm a person that longs, and I know that this is the type of environment in which you will not be longing in. Why? Because this is the top of the range. Okay, so taking any long, see these zones here, you will not take that. You will not long there. You wouldn't take a long there. You wouldn't even take a long here. I wouldn't even take a long here. So all these areas here, and not only that, best believe we're pretty much over. What's this? One, two, three, four, five, six. So understanding the narrative here, this is no area for you to be risking money to go long at all. And let me just invert this real quick. So this is a 5 second inverted. It just helps me see. I can see longs way better than shorts, so it just helps me see what price is on that. So let's see, because I'm also practicing on timing shorts. What's that? So we have this right there. We got a run at the low right there. Now essentially you just want to see a flip now. Yeah. Which is what the S&D responsible for the breakup. Okay, let me just clear shit up. If we get a body closure below this candle, then that's like a good sign that price wants to eventually go down. If we do break, we do get a body closure up here, but that's not currently happening. As of right now, the S&D responsible for the break up is holding. I do say break up because it's, yeah, this chart is inverted, just to let you know. So this low is failing to put another high. You can see this get run. Did it just erase all my drawings? Or did I do that? Oh shit, did I just do that? I've done it on accident. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? But this is like my first time this is my first time, what do you call it? Trailing in Asia, you know. But God, that is pretty chill. Because I've now understood the importance of which you know, I've been stubborn. That's basically it. But I've now realized the importance of just trailing price with the intention to learn, applying the concept, seeing it over and over. That's essentially what I did last week without realizing it, right? That's why I was able to learn so much in that one given session. And I was like, wait, whoa, 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 right? When you're just reading price just for the sake of learning what's going on versus um, reading price, trying to get an entry, seeing where you can enter. You know, it's two different state of minds. You know what I'm saying? It's two different state of minds. And, I'm gonna start implementing this as a routine. I'll be real, because bro, I can't lie. Trading, yo, I'm barely sleeping. No, I'm not even gonna say I'm barely sleeping, but it's what you call it, insomnia, right? Yo, when I want to sleep, I don't sleep for real. I really can't sleep when I actually want to sleep for real. So it's a thing where I'm gonna start implementing in my routine, um, just trading price, and of course, trading New York is trading New York, but the ideal routine that I have in my mind, which I'm just implementing now, as you can see right now on this live stream in Asia, is just trailing price. Trail price in Asia, trail price in London, and trade price in New York. So that way I've got more, I'm putting more time learning than actually trading, which I believe is going to be, that's only gonna improve and what's that word called? Increase my progress. I really had to think about what that word is called. So okay, cool. It looks like price is just trending up for now. Um, okay, the 50% of this range. Hmm, right there. From this to this. We have this also, but I choose this one there. But like I said, oh yeah, cool. I want to see this get. Hold on, it's easier to look at it from here. Yeah, this high here. I want to see that get down on a 12 minute. So clearly, yeah, we're consolidating. But this is looking like a failure to take the previous low. So we can probably see this high get run. Yeah. But 7 minutes left till the close. Yeah, that don't mean shit for now. So we ended up taking these highs to the previous range is literally keep those. So this is the previous range. I'm looking for price to drop into this. Get a body closure, so we're officially at the top of the range. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put a purple zone here. Just to signify the top of the range here. We're officially in a pullback, so that's the top. Boom. So in a case where we eventually go lower, you'll know that this is the origin that started the whole down move. Excuse me. So let's see what go on. So if we go on a 1 second, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 swings. Now we can anticipate a reversal. I'm going to start trailing my highs. That's what I usually do. When I see around 4 swings, I just trail my highs to anticipate a reversal. I mean, you should be trailing your highs and lows anyway, but specifically aware. So let's see what go on. That's what we do. We have the origin of the move here. The price is stalling at here. Mm, who knows? We could still run this shit and tap into an unmitigated zone where right here, S&D responsible for the break. Okay, cool. So we end up reversing, but we know that what do we know? First flip is usually fake, but let's see though, because the higher time frame narrative is showing us a failure to take the protected low, which usually takes out the current high. Usually, usually, but we know that price is pretty extended up, right? So either we take out this right here or we run these lows. So, let's see what's going on, mate. Let's see. Do we get a body closure above this high? Because nah, I'm gonna show it to you guys once it actually appears. So this was the case of the first flip being thick. So yes, we had our 4 to 6 swings. We saw our reversal, but that was a reversal on a 1 second though, a 1 second reversal, which created a higher time frame swing just now, which is what only on the 5 second though, right? A 5 second swing. So we see that we took the lows, we tapped. Yeah. My drawing which stuff. We tapped into the zone and we see an immediate shift off. Immediate, yo. Immediate. You see that? Now will it hold? I don't know. Am I even looking for longs here? No. But I am like, if we do see a larger move up here, I do want to see what that looks like. Because what do I want to say? In fact, yeah, this is actually it. Actually, we just had a flip up here. And we just tapped into what? The S&P responsible for it. Now, of course, I'm not taking the entry here, but pretend that this whole thing is at the bottom of the range. Pretend this whole setup is at the bottom of the range. This is exactly what my setup would look like. Like I said, I can see longs way easier than I can see shorts. And this is exactly what I was about to tell you guys. What you call it? About, so before, so way back, I'll probably say around December-ish, right? I kept on getting clapped on when it comes to the first flip, and I back tested it like crazy, right? And I was still trading forex at the time. I wasn't even trading futures. And then I realized that yeah, I could, that if I were to wait, if I didn't participate in that first flip, like I had all my confirmations there, ping, yeah. We took the low, we tapped into a zone. Went on the 5 second, I saw the flip, and I just said to myself, yo, I ain't participate, I ain't chasing that first flip. Let me just trail it, right? And I proved to be way more successful, but I had to wait more. Now back then, I didn't have that patience, so I still took first flips. But I did see more success with it. But I was like, nah, fuck all of that, man. I'll just take the first flip because sometimes that first flip would still work, but I just didn't understand it, right? But now, after back testing like crazy last week, I mean, shit, look at this. So basically, my whole ideology was you see your 4 to 6 swing, you see price reverse. And that reversal, especially when you're near a zone, in fact, we did tap into the zone right here, right? But what do we also have? An area that's been mitigated multiple times, right there. Oh, wow, that's lovely. But as I was saying, so basically, rather than just going on a long story trying to explain it, check it. You see the first flip happen right there. And then I'm like, okay, cool. When I see this first flip, I'm going to trail it. I ain't gonna chase it. I'm gonna trail it. Because I've been really studying the concept that Dave teaches about toilet paper people that chase, right? As I used to see myself, I used to see myself within their movement, and I would be part of their. Basically, I would be in this entry here, and the price would come back with me. So that's why I've been studying like crazy last week, and So when I see this first flip, I just basically trail, right? So initially, this would be the move, that one there, boom, 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 boom. So this would be the low, and we see a body closure below, right? So when I see that pullback now I'm looking for the second flip that occurs. Either we get equal lows, or we run the low and get um, the second flip, which happened right here. You see that? But we see the body closure here. You see how we just tap S&D responsible once? If you wasn't there for that tap, you know? And of course, it had to be in the zone. So let's say the equal lows did happen. I would not have taken it. Why? Because we were not at a zone. Cool, yes, we were at a zone that mitigated multiple times. Now you can take these entries if you can. Like it's risky, but you can. I've done it before. It's worked for me, and it hasn't worked for me. Now, whether it's to say more times often than not, I don't know about that one yet. I'm still tape reading. I'm still seeing it over and over and over again. That's the whole purpose of these tape readings. But that should show you a. Ooh, look at that. That should show you the point of these sessions is to learn, is to build trust within these zones. I already have trust within my zone selection. I know what I want. You feel me? But I'd say the thing that I have to work on the most is it's really my entries. Of course, I've gained more confidence in it, but I want to gain more confidence. And that's enough of me chatting shit. What is price doing? So we're still at the top of the range. We've got um, yeah, I'm looking for this low to be taken out. But currently, this is what Dave calls an idiot box. So we got a weak low, we have a weak high. That's how you know you're in a range, right? What's this? What's this purple thing again? What's this? Oh yeah, the origin. Okay, okay. But like I said, I don't think this is gonna last long. I think the ultimate objective for price is to take out this high up here. So that's why I have this arrow up here too. But let's just analyze what we see. So you see the origin of the move on the 5 second, which I'm gonna refine right now, is right there. See price tap into it and see an immediate shift off. This is the S&D responsible that violated it. And then this one violated it, and then this whole move. So this whole down move is like the current when we're talking about the flow of S&Ds. You can see price take out this high unless this gets violated too. But it's more than likely why, because we have a failure to take a low. Let's see. And then what we can probably tap into the unmitigated portions of it to tap back into the range. So let's see what goes on. So either or, right? But it's not even about being right about your projections. It's about being prepared. That is the most important thing. It's about being prepared for both situations. Price is either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. It's gonna go above or it's gonna go below. What will you do in both situations? That's what it's about. So if you're a person that shorts, an opportunity for maybe I'm talking too soon. No, if you're shorting, no, you're not taking this on. You ain't taking this on. The better choice is to wait for this high to be taken out and then trade back into this range. That is the better option. Did this tap? It did. Why? So why do I say that though? I say that because we have equal lows. So you see this low here belongs to this high here, and this low here belongs to this high here. So you know there are times where you can see a rejection within, after the first, after the inside high or low, whether it's equal lows or equal highs, take out both, blah 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 blah. There are instances where you can see a rejection, but the likelihood is less. If you want to trade with a higher probability, then you would want to wait for the whole narrative to play out. I don't get it twisted. I can't lie. I do take the risky approach, you feel me? Because you know, I do. It works out more time than not, you feel me? So, however, I'm not too good at shorts. So, especially knowing myself that I'm not too good at shorts, then I'll just wait for the outside to be taken. But let's see what happens because we still have this area here that's left unmitigated. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, like I said, we're just in the idiot box. I don't know what's going on right now. Let's 1 second. Uh, got one, two. See a drop. Mm, if we get, well, we did. So we have another set of equal lows here, and we're officially in a pullback of this range back. Oof, 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 oof. Look at that. Go back into this range here. So the pullback, where did that pullback start? Right there. So I say we have a high chance of taking up this high here. Definitely this inside one here. We can see some little resistance here at the S&D responsible for um, breaking structure. Not breaking structure, breaking this whole uptrend up. So see that? You see just that little tap away? But do I expect this to hold? Nah. But if, like I said, we could expect some resistance here. Or who knows? That resistance can just send price. Who knows? Um, let me erase some things. So yeah, ultimately I'm looking for these highs to be taken out. Okay. We also have, let me not jump too far ahead. So the S&D responsible, the main thing currently is still holding. So this is the, I should, I don't know. Let's make it purple. But there should be a way for me to distinguish like S&D responsible for breaks and S&D responsible for like, so the ones that say that break the trends are the ones that usually break the most, you know? But yeah, we ended up taking out the high. Um, Let's see. You drop back into this range. You have another S&D responsible here. See, this right here is an S&D responsible for the break of structure until what? Until we break a higher time frame high, or at least the we break the high that's in the same time frame of the of this here. So yeah, it wouldn't be a high time frame high, but from the same time frame. Yeah, that's when the S&D responsible shifts now. This one right here is the S&D responsible for the break on the 1 second here. So look, let's see how this reacts. Boom. And I'm like, oh, bro, I'll be real. I'm not even looking at the 1 minute. Like, what the fuck is the 1 minute doing? So he's going sideways. Okay. Yeah, so toilet paper people, they usually get run out. So we also end up taking out the higher time frame high, right? So now we have another S&D responsible, but where is it though? Is that something that you want to consider using? Fuck that. Is that something that you think is gonna hold even? Now, from my experience trading, I wouldn't use this zone up here, regardless if it's responsible for the break. Yeah, you may see price even take out this high as well. It may even give you a move up, but my experience backtesting and my experience backtesting, forward testing, trading it, losing money on it, and also Dave saying not to trade from it. It's a thing where you don't. I ain't really risking my capital on that. But let's just see what price does. On the 1 minute, we still see a failure to close above this high up here. But that narrative I told you guys about ages ago, about the oh yeah, see, I just forgot to take that out. The equal lows from the 1 minute time frame, right? That's why I had this arrow up there. Ultimately, I am looking for this to be taken out. So let's see what goes on. Once this narrative plays out, I'm just gonna erase everything because it'd really be new order flow. Just get rid of all these drawings and then we'll see what's gonna happen next. So you can see the 1 second narrative already played out. These equal lows here. Now it's just a thing where you want to see the higher time frame narrative play out. So we're dropping back into the previous range. If there's anything here, I'm gonna just erase this. Yeah, I want to see this get taken out. And yeah, alright, cool. Let's I want to see this low get taken out. If we are to go lower, and then we tap into the 1 second S&D responsible, we're more than likely to see a bounce from here because it also shares the zone with the origin of the move too, and then back into the previous range if we do end up going below here. So, but is there any signs that we do? You just count your swings, boy. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, cool. I was a bit inaccurate with that, but not inaccurate, but um too accurate. But when it came to mapping out the higher time frame swings, but Price wasn't Price didn't miss nothing. Yo, yo, you guys see that? You guys, do you see that? Do you see that? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. So watch the playlist, guys. Man, I can just watch the playlist, y'all. For real. The degree of accuracy in which you trade the markets is unbelievable. Was this in the 5 second too? Oh, I guess that's just me. I chose the whole swing. But yeah, there you go. There's a reason for every move in the market. An Asia session, I'll be real. I've never back tested Asia session before. You know what? I have not during these times, but like 5 a.m., like 5 a.m. times. So that's just when like the data starts. But this is my first time tape reading in Asia. This is actually very, very, very smooth. Like it is smooth. I've never done this before simply because I've been thinking to myself, yo, Asia's so slow, Asia's so slow. Bro, this is a nice pace. Like for real, like I ain't my brain isn't scattered everywhere on the map on the chart trying to figure out, oh, there's this one, there's that, like New York volatility can get crazy at times. Did we take out that high? No, we got equals. Not equal highs, but just a failure to take out this thing here. So I'm gonna just delete you. But what does Dave say? When we trade near a high time frame high, you usually see price pull back and then violate the and then violate the thing, then violate it, bro. But looks like it's a higher time frame. It could be right a higher time frame fail equal highs. Meaning what? We could be looking ultimately for. Come on, select the arrow. This low here. Unless did it fulfill the objective even by a tick? Because then that would be understandable. Hold on. No. Okay. Okay. So we won't jump to any conclusions. It could still complete this narrative. Oh wow. Oh wow. Do you guys see that again? No, we didn't get any body closure, so it looks like this can still get ran out. If we run this S&D responsible, then we could be looking for this. Did we get a body closure there? So you see a violation of that. Well, that's just the accurate, not the accurate, but the tinsy wincy one. But we have this whole zone that's responsible too. So keep in mind with that as well, right? But let's say the zone fails right here, then we could probably see a shift from the origin of the move. This is from the 1 second. Let me get rid of you and you forget you for now. So yeah, let's So we got a body closure. That's what I wanted to see. So now, if I'm gonna long anywhere, which I'm not, because I know we're at the top of the range, right? In fact, narrative is showing us that this is a lower probability of working out. So we're just tape reading, just seeing where everything goes. So as you can see, the zone that for the S&D responsible is still holding. You see a shift up, you see a body closure above. So check it. If I was actually long here, if I wanted to long here, and I saw us tap into here, boom, boom, and I chose price, we saw boom, 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 boom. We saw boom, boom, boom. See price, boom, boom, boom. Trade away to violate. So we see price go back into the previous range. We have, is it responsible? No, we violate as the responsible for the break. We got this origin here. Then we can tap into. Let me check the 1 second. Okay, now we'll use this. So we have this area here. Oh yeah, you could just use this whole swing. But no, I'll use that. So what do we do around here? We got 1, 2 on a reversal. So either you're gonna shift up or you're gonna go down. What you gonna do? Shift up. So we finally complete the narrative of equal lows, take out both highs. So that's just so this is new order flow, right? We got a body closure there. So this is like our fifth swing so far. On a lower time frame. Anyway, this is our third swing on the 1 minute. We got 1, 2, 3. I'll put that back there. Was that a body closure? Okay. Yeah, third swing. Do we get close there? Yeah. Alright, cool. So we have you. We got that. We got that there. Oh shit! I can't lie. My eyes just got hella drowsy. Oh shit! But fuck it. Let me go in 1 second. Let's see what I'm going. Can zoom out? Right. Okay, good. Cool. I wanna I wanna figure out. It's really okay, cool. So check it. I don't know if I was long here, right? Boom, toilet paper people. They step into the market, and then you essentially want to see another flip. So that's your first flip. You run those people out, and then you want to see your body closure there. And whatever S&D responsible is created here, that's your entry to go further up. So far the S&D responsible is this down move here. I don't want to see a tap and go. So we just seen a tap. Now I just want to see it. Phew. But where's your target? previous candle high. So for me, that is that there. Uh, so let's see if it reaches it. Let's see if it reaches this target. I'm inverted, by the way. So this long here is just me looking at shorts, but inverted. Because this follows my rules. We got the violation of a thing, and then here we have the narrative playing out right here using a failure to close above the previous higher time frame high. Usually takes out this. So yeah. But the reason I'm saying this low here instead of this is because this low put in this high. mm, Which on the one, is this 1 second or is the 5 second? It would actually be, where would it be? Um, I don't know. Oh, yeah, I can't tell. Hold on. It would be there. Hmm, over here. Interesting. Well, my original target was a bit too ambitious, but we did take out a high here, and we did get our 1-to-1 here. So that was cool. 1-to-1 was achieved. So my only fault here was where I was targeting, and that was what 1-1. So that's 19 to 16. That's three, like 2 point something points, 3 points or something. So, hmm, let me see. Back in the we got equals here. Well, no, let's see if this actually goes back up. Because if I was actually in an entry, it'd be like, a tick below. So let's see if it's if this actually fulfills itself. Let's see if it happens or not. If not, then keep it stepping. We already know that we could have jumped out at this high here at a 1-to-1. Apart from that, though, what else do we see? We see. Let me go here. Yeah, no lie, I'd be waiting for a move here at this origin here. I wouldn't use the S&D responsible at the top because it's the top of the range. It doesn't mean that we can't get a bounce from it though. Certainly we can, but rules are rules. How far are we from here? Okay. Uh, any other potential areas we could? So that's 1, 2, 3. We could see our fourth push up. The fuck is this? Oh yeah, the S&D. Let me put that there. Hmm. What's the 1 minute saying? So we have a failure to take a high, which means this low is vulnerable right there. So We literally just made a week low. No, wait, what? No, we made a week high. Yeah, yeah, cool. We made a week high and we've made a week low. So that's how you know what we're in a range. Let me just step to the 1 second now and see what's actually going on within this range. So we have did that close above? No. So we have you you so yeah, supply is currently in control within this range. Oh my days, yo. Fam, I got that. Oh. Alright, let me just put in something real quick. What was this? What's the date? 18th. Alright, cool. We're back. So, supply is no longer in control. It's still going up. Alright, cool. So, we switch it to what? To this right here. Like I told you, like on the 1 second, on the second time frame in general, these S&D responsibles, they break so like this just break here and there. And it's a thing where you're not really, of course, you're not trading from these zones, but these zones help you to understand just where prices wanted to go. Like it keeps you on the right side. So what do we do? I can't lie, yeah, bro. Like it's currently what 246. Like the my eyes are starting to. I'm getting sleepy. But I'm gonna keep going though. Who knows? I may fall on stream low. Nah, nah, nah. It won't get like that. It won't get like that. So look, check it. We've got one. Oh shit. No, never mind. We haven't even. Oh, fascinating. We haven't even gotten a body closure below above a thing yet. So ultimately, what am I looking for? A run of this low. Yeah. Mm. If I'm looking for sales. Oh Lord. Get rid of that real quick. Don't need that. So um, you can see a bounce here. You could also see something here. can see a bounce here, but I'm just laying it there. Okay, cool. I'm not using that as well, but I will say that you could see a bounce here. Uh, mm, okay. I'll know out. This is the last down candle for the S&D responsible. I'll use this zone too because it's around the 50% of the higher time frame zone. So if there's any entries that I want to take, it will be right here within these two areas here. I'll mark out the higher time frame zone too, so you get a general area of what man's looking at. So it's 5 seconds. Um, so on a smaller time frame, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can anticipate a reversal soon. So this is where if I was actually longing, well, if I was shorting, I should say, let me erase everything here. This is where I'd be anticipating shorts now. Let me so it would be like this. It would be like boom. I'll use squares, the more noticeable. So you see this zone here, you see that zone there, you see this zone here, you see that zone there. Probably should use this one as a higher time frame one here. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom. Which one got the body closure? No body closure. So basically it's that one there. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 swings here. So we can probably see a reversal here. Check it. We already got a flip here. We trail. We already got our pullback where I mean shit, same place. Oh, actually no. Our flip happened right there. Our pullback happened right here. Either you wait for the run or you wait for the next flip, which would have been right there, and then your entry at the S&D responsible. So, in fact, no, I'm mistaken. That's your flip. So that's your flip, and then that's your entry at the down candle. Price taps you in after a body closure above the down candle, taps you in and leaves. Isn't that fascinating? Now you can get, now let's say you wasn't part of this entry. Is this something that you would still like place a limit on? Shit, nigga, I don't know. I don't know. I'm still figuring that out. But because I'm figuring that out, I would say no. What I would wait for is for this low to be taken and then see another flip. But you could see something. Huh? That's what trailing price is for, right? Price discovery. By seeing the same thing over and over again. The questions that you have for yourself, you don't need someone else to answer it for you. You look at that equal lows, take out what both has. We saw the flip there into the S&D responsible once again. Target this motherfucker right here. At the very least, we got boom, 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 boom. So if you look on the 1 minute, you're seeing bare wicks on the top, right here. But I'm just saying that. This is what video 9. But the fact is though that we're still bearish. Look at how these highs are remaining. So this is a high chance of failing. We went up once, failed, twice, failed. Target would be this low here, which is what? What's this? That would be, it looks like it's somewhere up here. But as we're mitigating this area multiple times too, of course, we're in a range. It is likely to be around for a move back where into the S&D responsible, right? Now, because we know that this is the fourth swing, what narrative is showing us, it's that the likelihood of this zone altogether holding is unlikely. But this move up here can provide a move back into the previous range. Probably a move back into the, so, ooh, see, look, violated the S&D responsible. You can see a move back into this right here. Let's see what I'm going. So okay, cool. That's a target build, and yeah. So that's how I would approach sells. But for some reason, my eye, my eyes can't see it. I can't see cells like that. So that's why I've got to see the chart inverted. But it's really literally just before the live stream, I came up with the idea of just inverting my charts because bro, I swear Ninja Trader, it's like it's some technical shit, yo. It's not as like user interface friendly like fucking Trading View. But still I love you Ninja Trader, like I can't lie. It's way better still. Trading wise though, like trading? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ninja Trader is the one still. We got a failure to take this out. Ooh. So, ooh, let's see what happens. We even take out this area here. So we failed to close above the S&D responsible, so it's still holding. But we closed above this, we closed below this S&D responsible, so that's a violation. So we could be coming to this area here. Delete that. So let's see what I'll go on. So basically, this fourth swing is still holding. So that sell position that I had, wait, what? Yeah, this is a sell. Yeah, I want to invert chart. Okay, cool. This sell position is still doing its thing. But you just wanna see what's going on. Um, so where are we? So we're right here. Fail to do whatever here. We have the down candle that in case this S&D we get body closure below that, we can see a move here to move back into this range here. We can see something like that. And but we end up violating this thing. So that means we could end up going, oh yeah, I had this marked down on an inverted chart there. We mitigating this area multiple times, so we know that not just that, but with many other things, like a failure to take a protected high usually targets the what? The current high. Uh, Look at that. I mean, it's real basic, but hold on. We got the one-to-one. I think delivered. I think right. Yeah. Look, we tapped the 50. The one-to-one already delivered. You could potentially see a second move though. Yeah. So look, we got a. So we got our first flip. Right. Wait. Boom. Boom. Mm, nah, it's right there. And then the pullback we don't see as of yet. So yeah, I'm ultimately looking for this low to be taken. And if I were to enter in any longs, it would be in this position here, in this area down here. So let me just remove this because I don't care about the S&D responsible no more. And let me go ahead and just delete all of this. Wait, why does it delete it on a fucking 5 second too? Oh, that's just. Oh well, who cares? Yeah, either way, I was saying if I had to enter a position, and I know that this is at the top of the range, by the way. I'm just doing this just to practice my mind. You get it? Like, practice my mind, just to practice seeing myself all the time. I love seeing it all the time. But yeah, I think, like I said, I told you that I wanted to see either a move inside here or a move in this down candle here. But let's say price didn't, right? Let's say price don't want to even want to come here. Then, oh shit, I forgot. Oh yeah, this down candle. Was it this down candle? Yeah. If any up move were to come out, it would be here. But ultimately, yeah, I was looking for. What was I looking for? A run of that low. So we trade into here ultimately. But yeah. Uh, uh, uh. Oh, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I slightly moved my OBS. Anyway, it wasn't that bad. But now the stream look wonky, so good thing I know it's early though. What time is it? Yo, it's 3 a.m. Yo, it's like at this point, it's like my mind is saying that go to sleep. It's not my body no more, it's my mind. Yo, I can't lie. Nah, it's been fun. It's been fun, guys. But your boy gotta prioritize his health. But I'll be back to London though. I'll be back to London, so that's like what 9:30. So that'll be like in 6 hours or so. Yeah. So cool session. Uh, yeah, it was cool to see a lot of the um rules play out. But I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm gonna take a little nap and come back for London. Yo, so yeah, man, stay blessed, stay safe, and yeah.